Dear students, welcome to English class presented by Muhammad Shah Alam, lecturer in English, Dhamrai Government College, Dhamrai, Dhaka. In today's session, we will discuss and practice another 3 board questions 2000 board question of 2019, Borishal, Chattogram and Dinajpur board. In last class, we have discussed the passage narration of board question Rajshahi board, Joshore board and Sylhet board 2019. Today we are going to study another 3 board questions named Chattogram board, Borishal board and Dinajpur board 2019. I hope that you will enjoy the class. Okay, let's start. Borishal board 2019. At first I am reading out the questions, then I am telling the answer. Returning home, my mother said to me, "Your progress in studies is very slow. You always move about with a group of your friends. Aren't you idling away your time with them? Can't you be more serious?" "I am sorry and I will amend myself," I replied. In last class, I have told that at first you should identify who is the speaker and who is the audience or listener. So if we analyze these questions, we will find that mother has said this part, this sentence, this one up to this, and only one sentence has been replied by the son. So the subject of these sentences are mother and object or listener is her boy. And I am sorry and I will amend myself has been replied by I is here the son of the mother. Okay, now we are now see the answer. This is very simple passage narration. You have already practiced this type of passage narration in your SSC level, so the question is little bit easier. Returning home, this is the extension of reporting speech, so there will be no change of this extension. Returning home, my mother told me that my progress in studies was very slow. It means that the conversation has been taken place between I and my mother. Your progress in studies is very slow has been replaced with my mother told me that my progress in studies was very slow. You always move about with a group of your friends. She added that I always moved about with a group of my friends. Aren't you idling away your time with them? There are another 2 questions from mother. So she asked me if I was idling away my time with them. As there is 2 questions, so we have to answer with. She again asked me if I could not be more serious, and the tense must be changed. I am sorry and I will amend myself, I replied. I replied that I was sorry and I would amend myself. There you must you I replied that I was sorry and I would amend myself. I think you have got the point. Now we are going to the next board questions. Chattogram Board 2019, and this question was also set in 2017 in Rajshahi Board. This is a little bit difficult than previous one, but this has been taken from your English first paper textbook, unit 4, lesson 3 or 4, photograph. Under the lesson photograph, this extraction has been taken from there. Okay, at first we should read out the questions. Whose picture is it? I asked. A little girl's, of course, said grandmother. Can't you tell? Yes, but did you know the girl? Yes, I knew her, said Granny. Yes, I knew her, said Granny, but she was a very wicked girl and I should not tell you about her. So the conversation or the passage narration has been taken place between I and my grandmother. Now check back the answer. I asked grandmother whose picture it was. Whose picture is it? I asked. So I asked whom? I asked grandmother, as the conversation has been taken place between I and grandmother. I asked grandmother whose picture it was, and the interrogative sentence will be in assertive. Grandmother replied that it was of course a little girl's picture. Then once again, can't you tell? Yes, but didn't you know the girl? She asked me if I could not tell that. I replied in the affirmative and asked her if she had known the girl. Yes, I knew her, said Granny. Grandmother or Granny replied in the affirmative and said that she had known her, but she, this sentence has been added with but she, it means the girl had been a very wicked girl and she should not tell me about her. Here she is grandmother, and girl means about the photograph, with about they are talking. I think you have got the point. Now we are going to the next board questions. Dinajpur Board 2019. It was also set in Kumilla Board 2013. My sons, said he. My sons, said he, a great treasure lies hidden in the estate. I am about to leave you. Where is it hidden? Said the sons. I am about to tell you, said the old man, but you must dig the land for it. So this is also a very common passage narration. Possibly all of you have practiced it in your SSC level. The conversation has been taken place between the sons and the old man. At first we should identify the speech of the old man. My sons, a great treasure lies hidden in the state. I am about to leave you. I am about to tell you but you must dig the land for it. It means that there are 4 or 5 sentences have been delivered. This speech delivered by the old man, and the son also only asked one question: where is it hidden? Okay, now let's check the answer. My sons, said he. Here you can also use drawing the attention of the sons. The old man told his sons that a great treasure lay hidden in the estate. Or you can answer in the simple way: the old man told his sons that a great treasure lay hidden in the estate. Though there is my sons and a great treasure lies hidden in the estate are in 2 different inverted comma, but this 2 sentences is 1 sentence here. The old man told his son that a great treasure lay hidden in the estate. Or you can say, drawing the attention of the sons, the old man told his sons that a great treasure lay hidden in the estate. Where is it hidden? Said the sons. Sorry, I have missed one line. I am about to leave you. He also added, he means the old man added that he was about to leave the sons or them. The sons asked him where it was hidden. Where is it hidden has been answered with where it was hidden. I am about to tell you. Answer is the old man told them that he was about to tell them. But you must dig the land for it. But they had to dig the land for it or for that. So I think you have got the point, and that's all. And next day we will study another 3 board questions. Till then, Allah Hafiz.